The sculpted 1966 Stingray is a NCRS top flight car that wraps timeless red and black aesthetics around a numbers-matching 4-speed and a numbers-matching 427. And if you're looking to storm the collector car hobby with guaranteed pedigree, it's an easy ride to the front of the pack. This slick C2 is the kind of classic that you can look at and virtually sense top-notch caretaking. As you can see, that caretaking involved a detailed body-off restoration. That ground-up reboot, documented over the course of 8 years, began with solid original fiberglass that was fully stripped, lovingly sanded, and sprayed in correct Rally Red 2-stage. The doors and lids were carefully adjusted to ensure good fit and finish, and vibrant factory trim was affixed under factory tint glass and a correct big block hood. Between the doors, you'll find a correct standard interior that's been completely restored. Tight bucket seats frame a thin console that's equipped with a correct chrome shifter. A monochromatic dash hangs rebuilt gauges over optional air conditioning and a Delco AM/FM radio. And the driver grips a sweet teakwood steering wheel on a telescopic column. Tilt the hood and you'll find 427 cubic inches of numbers-matching big block that frames a correct Suffolk stamp and matching partial VIN. That 390 horse mill sends power through its original Muncie 4-speed back to a posi traction differential. Quite honestly, it doesn't get much better than this award-winning Stingray. It's a detailed numbers-matching restoration that you can cruise and enjoy, all while filling an impressive trophy case. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.